Damn, my fucking closure is showing. Cause I need it touched up. It's starting to push the fuck back, but just imagine it's not there, you know? Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video, I did this green and gold glam look. I kind of got the green inspiration because Christmas is obviously next month, and I wanted to incorporate some Christmas colors without kind of going overboard, with you still being able to, you know, wear this out somewhere, like to a club or event or something like that. So this is what I did. I was gonna pair this with a red lip, but I feel like that probably would have been like too much maybe. So I did like this pink mauve lip. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. So first, where's that? I'm gonna use this hand sanitizer because anytime you're touching your face, you want to wash your hands. I actually forgot to wash my hands, and I was like fooling with lights and all that stuff, and they were kind of dusty. So I'm gonna take this hand sanitizer. My lights, I feel like, are bright. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if they're bright. I'm still trying to work with some of the lighting. Look at this cool hand sanitizer my mom's friend got me. Look at that. That's pretty funny. I'm gonna go in with that same concealer that I applied under my, well, no, on top of my brows. First, I'm taking this yellow shade right here. Shade up here. It looks green on my palette, but I feel like on the camera it's picking it up like bluish green. This dark green shade right here in the palette. Alright, now I'm going to do this other eye off camera because that probably took maybe 10 minutes for me to do. So I'm just going to blend everything on my eyes with the green shade in particular, and I'll be right back. Going in with this shade right here called Casablanca, and it's in the Juvia's Place palette. Use this darkest shade in the palette. This is this black shade right here. I'm gonna just dab that. You want to start with little and then work your way up, because if you put too much, it's hard to take away. So I'm just taking a wet wipe I'm just gonna clean up the areas of my face that I have like glitter. The tape shape, the tape, the tape shape. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm taking this. Primer by Wet n Wild. My favorite. This is my favorite foundation. This is 334, the Maybelline 24-hour Super Stay foundation. Zoom you guys out just like a little bit so you guys can kind of see the whole face. I'm gonna go in with this. I don't even know what you would call this. It's a brush though from MAC. And I'm just going to dab that concealer in. The oldie but goodie, the Ben Nye banana powder. I'm just gonna use that same brush I set my concealer with. I'm taking this Spice lip pencil by MAC. I'm just gonna trace my lips. This lipstick, it is the Hitchhike Comfort Matte by Urban Decay. So this is the finished look. Green eyes with this nudie lip. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.